Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's another day for another video and another vlog. Today we'll be talking about how to get a CFO certificate online. Before natin i-discuss yung step-by-step process on how to get a CFO certificate, first i-discuss ko muna kung ano nga ba yung CFO or Commission on Filipinos Overseas, ano yung function nila, at yung mga clientele. What is CFO? So CFO stands for the Commission on Filipinos Overseas, is an agency of the government of the Philippines under the office of the President of the Philippines. So CFO was established on June 18, 1980 through the enactment of Batas Pambansa Building 79. So the agency is responsible for promoting and upholding the interests of Filipino immigrants and Filipino residents in other countries. It is also responsible for preserving and strengthening ties with Filipino communities outside the Philippines. The main task of the Commission on Filipinos Overseas is to register and provide pre-departure orientation seminars to Filipino immigrants, to promote transfer of technology, material contributions, and financial contributions of Filipino immigrants from abroad to underserved communities in the Philippines, to provide the younger generation of Filipinos overseas with opportunities to learn the history of the Philippines, Filipino culture, Philippine institution, and Philippine languages. The main duties or function of a CFO or the Commission on Filipinos Overseas are the following. First is to assist the President of the Philippines and the Congress of the Philippines in formulating policies and measures concerning or affecting Filipinos abroad. Second, to develop and implement programs that will promote the interests and well-being of Filipinos abroad. Third is to serve as a forum for preserving and enhancing the social, economic, and cultural ties of Filipinos abroad with the Philippines. And last is to provide liaison services to Filipinos residing outside the Philippines with appropriate government and provide agencies in the transaction of business and similar projects in the Philippines. The primary clientele of Commission of Filipino Overseas are Filipino permanent migrants or permanent residents abroad, Filipinos overseas who have been naturalized citizens of other countries or dual citizens, Filipino spouses and other partners of foreign nationals leaving the country, descendants of Filipinos overseas, Filipino youth overseas, exchange visitor program participants, and the Filipino au pair participants. So now guys, let's proceed naman on how to get the CFO certificate online. So, yung i-discuss ko lang is yung GCP or your Guidance and Counseling Program. So ito yung para sa mga married or mga partner or mga fiancé of foreign national or yung mga naturalized or yung mga dual citizen. So just a disclaimer guys, this is only based on my personal experience sa pag-process ko or pagkuha ko ng CFO certificate online. So sa pagkuha ng CFO certificate is, you have to type in yung cfo.gov.ph. Ilalagay ko din yung link sa description below para easier lang na ma-access ninyo. And then, once you are on the website is meron siyang pop-up kung anong klaseng services or certificate na kukuhanin mo. So, yung sa akin is yung GCP or yung Guidance and Counseling Program. So, since yung purpose ko is mag-travel as tourist abroad and then i-meet yung foreign boyfriend ko is yun yung kuhanin ko, yung GCP. So, once nag-decide ka na kung anong type of certificate na kukuhanin mo, is i-close mo lang yung nag-pop up na different services. Tapos, pag-close mo nun is, pwede mo nang i-click yung type ng certificate. So, meron doon, sa lower part is yung register here. And then, so, meron ditong two options. Yung option 1 is on-site or with face-to-face transaction. And then, yung second one is yung online or no need for personal appearance. Since malayo ako sa mga offices, is sa akin is online transaction lang or no need for appearance, is nag-click ako yung sa option 2. Once click mo na yung option 2 or yung purely online or no need for personal appearance, is ipoproceed ka doon sa page wherein ipapakita kung ano yung mga dapat requirements na isasubmit mo for online CFO certificate. So, yung required documents po dito is yung valid passport, and then valid visa, if meron, and then yung petitioner's passport, and then marriage certificate, if applicable. Meron din mga additional documents na kailangan, pero yung sa akin, guys, yung prepare ko lang is yung required documents, tapos yung additional documents ko is na inad ko for submission is yung proof of relationship. So, yun yung mga photos at saka yung call logs namin. Shoutout din kay Els Kapage Channel. Siya yung nag-guide sa akin kung ano yung mga dapat documents na kailangan isubmit doon sa CFO. And then, siya din yung nakatulong sa akin kasi nag-asa ko ng mga questions kung ano yung mga dapat i-submit or mga requirements, and then yung how long it takes makakuha ng certificate. So, yun na nga, if meron ka na yung mga needed documents, is i-click mo na lang yung ito, dadirect ka niya doon sa page. So, meron kang i-dadirect doon sa page wherein ilalagay mo yung mga necessary information or mga basic information regarding you and your partner for registration sa seminar. And then, so meron din dito, guys, like, baka magtataka kayo when you try to register, is meron ditong you cannot continue the online registration process kasi meron silang cut-off time. Yung duration lang ng registration is only Monday to Thursday from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Tips, guys, para makakuha kayo ng slot for seminar, kasi pahirapan yung slot for the CFO certificate. So, minsan, hindi ka makakuha ng slot, like ito yung palaging error. So, para sure na makakuha ka ng slot, yung ginawa ko, guys, is nag-wait ako ng 7 a.m., like exactly 7 a.m. para makakuha ako ng slot. Kasi if later ka pa a day ng mga middle of the day or mga after 7 is magko-close na yung slots. Meron silang limited slots for the day. Kaya para sure na makuha kayo is mag-register kayo exactly 7 a.m. Once maka-register na kayo, guys, is makaka-receive kayo ng email from your guidance counselor. So, yung email is yung subject line niya is submission for required documents prior for tele-counseling. So, yun yung mga documents na na-mention ko earlier, na i-attach mo yung mga passport, yung visas, yung passport ng petitioner o yung partner mo, and then yung mga proof of relationship. So, once masubmit mo na yung mga required documents, is makaka-receive ka ng another email from your guidance counselor. So, ito na yung scheduled date and time kung kailan yung seminar. Yung sa akin guys is, luckily is, yung seminar ko is within the day. I was actually expecting na mga after 1 week or 2 weeks pa, kasi I heard some of the counselors or some of the kasi depende yun sa counselor mo guys, or guidance counselor mo. Some of them matagal daw yung response nung scheduling sa seminar. Sa akin, luckily is within the day lang siya. So, nag-register ako 7 a.m. and then yung seminar ko is 3:30 p.m. within that day. Bago ako attend ng seminar guys, is merong instruction din yun sa email na kailangan i-complete na form. And then, kailangan din ako mag-submit ng additional documents, proof of relationship, at saka yung CENIMAR. Pero yung CENIMAR, guys, is depende lang yun if available. And then, so yun na nga, depende rin yun sa instructions ng counselor mo. I'm not sure if they have the same or different instruction. Pero for sure, I think similar naman yung instruction siguro nila. So, yun yung piningi nilang additional requirements. And then, kailangan yung isubmit like an hour before, bago ng seminar. And then, dapat din na mag-send ka ng confirmation email sa counselor mo an hour before rin na a-attend ka ng seminar. Now, schedule na for your seminar, for your CFO, yung Guidance and Counseling Program. So, yun na nga, yung duration ng program or yung seminar is mga around 3 hours. Yun yung estimated time na seminar yung na-attend ko. Based sa aking experience is, marami kami doon sa seminar na yon or sa meeting na yon. So, I think nasa mga more or less 15 attendees nung time. I thought na one-on-one yung counseling kasi yun yung mga based sa napapanood ko sa YouTube, yung mga paano sila kumuha ng CFO certificate online. So, I thought na one-on-one. Pero, I think kasi marami na yung kukuha or ng certificate. So, I think is parang na by group na siya. So, maraming attendees na yung per seminar. So, mostly yung mga seminar is about lang yung mga explain na doon kung paano umiwas na maging victim ng human trafficking, kung ano yung mga emergencies, hotlines, yung mga, kung ano yung, in case of emergency, yung mga unfortunate events, sino yung tatawagan, ano yung mga offices na pupuntahan mo, or in case of mga, emergency or whatnot. So, usually, yun yung mga discussions, yun yung mga focus discussions nila. And then, of course, kung ano yung background din yung CFO, discuss nila doon. And, meron din mga interactions like, doon sa mga seminars. Hindi naman siya masyadong boring kasi nag-interact din kayo with the counselor. After ng seminar, guys, kasi I think yung guidance counselor is ina-assess nila kung ibibigyan ka ba nila ng certificate. So, usually if complete naman yung mga requirements mo is magsisend sila ng approval email na you may now proceed to the next step. So, yung next step is payment. So, dalawang option, guys, actually, kung paano mo kuha mo yung certificate. It's either isasend siya doon sa address mo or direct home address mo, or pupunta ka sa CFO office nila directly para makuha mo yung sticker at saka yung certificate. Since sa akin, guys, malayo ako sa CFO office, so yung option ko lang is i-deliver sa home address ko. So, ayun, wala actually bayad yung sa CFO seminar or parang registration, wala siyang bayad. Yung babayaran ko lang, guys, is yung document stamp at saka yung courier fee. So, yung mga total na nabayaran ko is nasa mga 162 pesos lang. I think depende sa location or mo ata kung magkano yung courier fee. After the payment, guys, actually, para yun sa sticker at saka yung certificate rin, parang atang original certificate na ibibigay rin. Sabi nung guidance counselor is baka mga after 1 year ko pa yun makukuha. Kasi sa dami daw ng backlog nila, yung sa parang sa delivery is medyo matagal daw isi-send nila. Pero if kukuhanin nyo sa office, guys, is magre-reply lang kayo sa office, is immediately makukuha nyo po yung certificate at saka sticker. Pero since malayo ako, guys, hindi ko maka. So, yun nga, for delivery lang. After ma-confirm yung payment, guys, is na-receive ako ng another email for the temporary certificate. Flash ko dito yung temporary certificate. So, yung temporary certificate, guys, is good siya for 1 year. Pero, so sabi ni guidance counselor sa amin, guys, during the seminar is, yung seminar is for only once lang. Yun. If ever nahingi ka ulit ng certificate, wala ka pa nung sticker, is pwede kang mag-email directly sa counselor mo na hingi ka ulit ng certificate. Yung certificate kasi na binigay is good for 1 year only. And then, yun, pwede mo na yun i-print at saka i-present mo yun sa immigration officer. So, yun lang yung mga step-by-step guide kung paano kumuha ng CFO certificate online. If meron kayong mga questions at saka mga additional information na baka hindi ko nabanggit, feel free to comment down below. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching and see you on my next vlog. Bye for now.